This is my audience. Syed Khalid Al-Dinner once said, "Never erase your past. It shapes who you are today and will help you to be the person you'll be tomorrow." Hello everyone, my name is Luis Gomez and I'm currently a college student at Moreno Valley College. Today I will be showing you guys 3 objects that represent my past, my present, and my future. The first object I will be showing you guys is a trompo. I chose a trompo because it represents my past life in Mexico. During my childhood, I used to play with these little spinning toys called trompos. A trompo is basically a cone-shaped traditional Mexican toy with a metal point at the bottom to make it spin. The original trompos were made out of wood, but the ones I used to play with were mostly made out of plastic like this one. With the plastic trompos, I remember I was able to make them spin rapidly, and I was also able to perform a few tricks with them. When I moved to the US, this was one of the items that I brought with me as a souvenir. This is an important item for me because it reminds me of my childhood. It reminds me of the times where I would get out of school and go to a park to play with my friends. It also reminds me of the traditions that I grew up with and of the culture that I come from. Moving on to my second item, I have a physics notebook. I chose a physics notebook because I'm currently preparing to take a physics class next semester. I know physics can be a challenging subject, so I decided to get ahead and start preparing for my upcoming class. This notebook actually belongs to one of my friends, but he let me borrow it so I can study. I'm also taking chemistry next semester, so I'm sure some of the things that I learned from this notebook are gonna come in handy as well. Some of the things I've been learning from this notebook include equations to solve problems, the basic structure of atoms, and how to apply physics to the real world. I'm really glad he let me borrow his notebook, and I hope I can do well in my classes next semester. I told him that I was gonna take good care of this notebook and that I was gonna give it back to him in the same condition. Moving on to my final item, I have a pen light. I chose a pen light because I'm probably gonna need it for nursing school in the future. I've always been interested in a career in healthcare, and currently nursing is one of my main goals. Initially, I actually wanted to be a physical therapy assistant, but after doing some research and talking with a few healthcare professionals, I decided to switch to nursing instead. I know nursing can be a challenging career, but I'm determined to make it work, and I'm confident that I have the skills and determination to be successful. As far as the pen light goes, I'm gonna need it in the future for simulation labs, ENT assessments, as well as clinicals. A pen light is used to measure intraocular pressure and to assess other eye-related conditions. It is an essential tool for any nurse out there. I have shown you how a trompo, a notebook, and a pen light represent my past, my present, and my future respectively. Now I will conclude my speech. As a result of these 3 objects, I was able to show you my past experiences, who I am, and what I aspire to accomplish. I use a trompo to represent my past, a notebook for my present self, and a pen light for my future goals. Overall, these 3 objects became a powerful tool for me to envision my future and to help me stay on track. Thank you.